Hello guys, welcome to my channel Oni DIY Do It Yourself. So today's video is all about my DIY aquarium cover. So you can see my aquarium. So it's a 40-liter aquarium, and now I have like 4 silver sharks. Then I've kept betta fish in my DIY jar, and also there are 2 pearl guramis. So on the top, as you see, I have kept just a plastic tray to protect it from the dust, but still dust is getting accumulated on the water surface. Also for me it's very difficult to clean the filter since I have to remove all these things, and my fishes are trying to escape from the gap. So I went to the hypermarket to get the foam board which I can use to make a cover of my aquarium. So it's a foam, double-sided foam, 5 mm thickness, and it's waterproof as well. So finally I got that one, and then these are the tools required: cutter, sellotape, scale. So this is my end product. So after a lot of calculations and cutting, this is the cover which I made. Now let's try on my aquarium if it is fitting or not. So I'll remove the tray. You can see how I used to cover my aquarium before, and now we'll try to put the cover. So as you can see, it's a perfect fit. So now it's more neat and tidy, and I can access my filter from the top as well. No need to remove the cover. From here I can feed my fishes, and it's covering the area properly as well. So yeah, so anyone who is not having a cover on his aquarium, you can try making it home. No need to spend money outside, because it's very easy to make. You just need a styrofoam or this double-sided foam. It's waterproof as well. So that's for it today. So guys, kindly, as I say always, like, comments, subscribe, also press on the bell icon, so whenever I put a new video you will get a notification for it.